Hello everyone. In this video I would like to demonstrate the installation process of the Spider ID application to identify various genera of spiders from Taiwan. Without further ado, let us get started. First, download all of the necessary files in a single package from the provided GitHub link. Second, extract all the files inside the zip file and run the setup file. The setup file has to be run as administrator. The system will automatically download all of the necessary files to run the application, and this process may take a while, depending on the network condition. Next, to keep the application updated for future improvements, the users can easily run the update file and wait for the system to automatically update the files directly from GitHub. Finally, I would like to demonstrate how to use the application to identify the genus of a spider from a single picture. First, execute the run file and the main window will be popped up. Afterward, select Process Image to load the image of the spider to be analyzed. After selecting the file, the system will start to analyze the file, and once it is finished, another window will pop up and show the predicted genus name with the confidence score of the prediction. That is all for the brief instructions on the Spider ID application installation and operation. For further information, please refer to the manuscript in the link provided here. Thank you very much and have a good day.